Hello all. We all know about the war between Russia and Ukraine. In nowadays, Russia's President Putin is saying about the nuclear bomb. Whenever he says about the nuclear bomb, it becoming a very sensational news and everybody talking about and everybody fearing also. So, why this nuclear bomb is so powerful? Why we need to fear about it? So, to understand this, in this video, we will learn about what is nuclear bomb, how powerful it is, and how it works. We will not going to discuss about the war, but we will know about what is a nuclear bomb, how powerful it is, how it is going to work. So, before that, we must understand some basic concepts of atom. If you see, if you see a structure of atom, inside it we will have a nucleus and it contains protons and neutrons. Around it, electrons will be revolving like this. Protons will be positively charged, neutrons or no charge will have, and electrons will be negatively charged. In this universe, every atom, every system want to become stable. Whenever it becomes stable, it will try to become stable. So this unstable condition when it will become in any atom means when an atom has extra neutrons or protons, it causes the element to become unstable. That means whenever the number of protons and number of neutrons becomes unbalanced, that means not equal, then the forces in the nucleus will become unbalanced and the element will become unstable. One of the best example for high atomic weight and unbalanced element is uranium, where the uranium will have 92 protons and neutrons. Again, it depends on their isotopes. Isotopes means it depends on the number of neutrons each element have. For example, uranium 238 will have 92 protons and 146 neutrons. Uranium 235 will have 92 protons and 143 neutrons. Here both isotopes uranium 238 and uranium 235 are having unbalanced number of protons and neutrons. Here 92 protons and 143 and 146 neutrons. There is a very highly unbalanced forces are there in uranium. But for nuclear reactions, for nuclear bombs, uranium 235 will be used more. We will know the reason in later why only uranium 235 is used. But now we will concentrate on how this uranium 235 is reason for this much of huge energy in nuclear bomb. So if you see the reaction here, when a neutron is bombarded to uranium 235, it will become uranium 236 and it becomes very unstable and it divides into the stable form of barium and krypton. In this process, huge energy plus 3 neutrons will be released like this. If you see the reaction, one neutron is bombarded to uranium 235, it will go into barium and krypton. Here 3 neutrons plus this much of huge energy will be released. And these 3 neutrons as a chain reaction, if you see here, once this neutron is bombarded, these 3 neutrons again bombarding to one more 235, again the 3 neutrons will be released and it will go to again 235. So it will become like a chain reaction like this. Every 3 neutron will be bombarding to the next uranium 235 and it is reason for a huge energy. So this is how nuclear bomb works. That means chain reaction is reason for huge radiation released from the nuclear bomb. We will just see one example where how it will works. When neutron is bombarded to uranium 235, the chain reaction will start and huge energy will be released. Now we will see one video clip. On 6th August 1945, US released one nuclear bomb on Hiroshima. So we'll see the video clip. Nuclear bomb is released. Now when before reaches to earth, there will be one sensor where neutron will be released to the uranium 235 and the explosion will start. The chain reaction will start like this, and before reaching to earth itself, the nuclear bomb will blast and it will cause the huge energy like we are seeing on the screen. So this much of huge energy will be released from the nuclear bombs. That is why these are very, very powerful and very, very dangerous. And now we will see why uranium 235 is only used for nuclear bomb. Why not uranium 238? If you see the reaction here, when a neutron is bombarded to uranium 238, it will become as neptunium and plutonium, where there is no extra 3 neutrons released and there is no any energy released. But in case of uranium 235, here the krypton and barium is formed. Along with that, extra 3 neutrons are released here with some huge energy. So this extra 3 neutrons are reason for the chain reaction. So only chain reaction is possible in uranium 235. That is why in nuclear bombs uranium 235 is used. So hope you understand how the nuclear bomb will work and from which element nuclear bomb is prepared and how powerful it is. This nuclear bomb can be used for electricity generation also, for not only for the bombs. Thank you.